How to fix Safari cannot open page. Hi guys, in this video I'll teach you how to fix Safari cannot open page. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to do that, what we need to do is to just head over to our settings right here and then make sure that you're connected to a fast Wi-Fi connection. So you can just click on this Wi-Fi right here and just change your Wi-Fi if you think that your Wi-Fi is the problem. So the next thing that you can do is to clear the history of Safari. So just head over to your Safari right here, and then from there just click on this book icon, and then just click on this clock icon, and in here you can see the history. So click on clear right here and click on this all time, and as you can see the history of Safari has been cleared. Now once you have done that, what you can do next is to force restart your iPhone. You can do so by clicking some buttons. It actually depends on what model you have, but once you have force restart it, your Safari should be up and running again. So the next thing you can do is do a network reset on your router. You can do so by just tweaking on your router and resetting it, and then after that your network will be reset and you should be able to connect again. The last method that I can teach you is to head over to your settings, scroll down until you reach general, click on software update right here, and make sure that you're on the latest update of your software in order to not encounter any problems or bugs. So as you can see, I'm not yet on the latest update, so I can just click on this download and install right here in order to update my software. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to fix Safari cannot open page. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.